How to set up Directv stream on Smart TV. In this video, I'll show you how you can set up your Directv stream to your Smart TV. So, to get started, go ahead and plug one end of the HDMI cable into your device and the other end into your TV. Note which HDMI input you use. And then want a wired internet connection, use an Ethernet cable to connect to your device to your gateway. Otherwise, you'll choose your Wi-Fi network later. So insert the power cord into the back of the device and then plug it into the wall outlet. A red light will blink on the front of the device, so turn on your TV and change the input to the correct one using the input or source buttons on your TV remote. Remove the battery tag from your DirectV remote, and then follow the on-screen prompts. You'll be asked to pair your DirectV remote and device, and then point the remote at your device and press the fast forward and rewind buttons for 2 to 3 seconds at the same time. So when they pair, you'll get a message that your remote is ready to use. Then choose a wired connection, select your Wi-Fi network name from the list of options, then enter your password. Using the remote, once connected, your device checks for updates in and may reboot. Enter your user ID and password and then select sign in and then review and accept the terms and conditions. Select or enter the room location where you'll use your DirecTV device, and this will be set as your in-home network. Enter your Google ID and password if you have one.